So I think today we're going to try to clean up some of this motor. Take the AC compressor off and take the brackets and all that stuff off and try to make it more appealing and stuff. I like to try to get some of the billet accessories to put on here. So let's try to take some of this apart and see what all we need if I can get it all ordered. Looks like there's only 2 bolts holding this thing on. I think. Alright, today we're gonna try to finish getting this front end of this motor tore down. I got my little buddy with me today, so we're gonna try to have him to help because it's been pretty hard on me trying to get up and down off this thing. So here's where we're at right now. I gotta get this bracket right here off. We're gonna try to get this bracket off today, and I'm trying to turn it into a V-belt system and get rid of all this bulkiness. So we'll get all this, get to it and stuff. So Ray, you want to get down there and take them boats out for me?
Yes. You sure? Daddy? I don't know if I can get to that.
We'll have to get a little extension and bring it out a little further.
Yeah. That's some damage. Where's the tension at? Why don't I just get a swivel? Can I just get a swivel? Okay. You. Take this one. Thank you. That works. Okay. Well, it's hard to get it in there. What's this freaking thing? There we go. Coming out. Okay, well, we got it out. Oh, I just burned myself.
Yeah, it gets hot in there.
What do we do with it?
I want you to take these boats out where you don't lose them.
Okay.
And I've been putting the boats over there.
Go check.
I got one of the other ones right here.
Let me get you bits out.
And we'll lay them back up. Alright, so we got one side off. We're going to try to get this other side off here. And
Yep, here it is. Okay. Put it off. To say Batty, I forgot how this goes.
Alright, we're trying to get this other bracket off. Trying to show him some tricks. No, that's not how I showed you.
I don't know how to put it on. It went like this somehow. Oh, okay. I know how to do it now.
Got it?
I'm getting it. Emma.
Yep, just slowly.
Well, it is kind of tough though. I get your pain now.
The leverage is always your friend, so.
Looks like I'm working out in the gym right now. Or what I do just now. I can do it one-handed now.
Should be getting pretty close, 'cause it's way out there.
Ow! Oh, there goes another swarm, man. Okay. First I need to
You gotta do it though. There you go.
like this?
Yeah. If I had to bring it back this way and get a little more leverage on it.
So I need like, okay, I keep forgetting. How if I do it like this? Put it. No, I don't like the way Yeti. It's not my friend.
No, the other way.
The way like this.
No.
I'm going the wrong way, am I?
Yeah.
I'm trying. Oh.
There you go. Got it.
Yep. Nope. Why is that on the ankle? Oh, there goes the little thing. Nope.
It's gonna take us a minute here. I'm gonna go ahead and just kick this off, and then I will be right back when we get it off.
Yeah, I'm just taking my time. Okay, guys. So right now, we're trying to take off this thing, which we have to take off this bracket for. We're having a boat down there. It's hard to. It's hard. It's
right size.
hard to see. What size is it?
Hand me like a 15.
15. I think it's 15. So. Got you in. That boat is trying to give us a little bit of a struggle. You got it on there? Huh?
I don't understand. I can get it on there when I get it. When I go put this on there, I can't get it on there.
But down, up, down. Here. Right there.
I mean, what's the crap?
There goes. It's
I don't
on.
even think it's even on it. It ain't. What the crap? I don't freaking think it's a boat.
It's like a nut. It's more or less like a nut.
Where's my phone? Jeez.
That's what we're trying to work with right now. It's kind of hard to do it.
Okay, so that is the smoke creek head up. Don't step more.
What? So it is a boat for it? Huh?
Yeah, but it's a small boat, so it's...
Oh, so we were just holding over it, weren't we?
Over 13.
So we already got that over there off.
Working.
This off. What? Okay, guys, I think we found the boat that we was trying to look for.
Can you come over here and hold this up?
What?
This thing, before it falls.
Hold on.
Before it falls. Before it falls. It's falling. It's falling.
Oh my god.
Come on.
What? This is. We got it. The lid over here. Water's away. And then we put it in the back of the truck anyway. Okay. So we finally got that off with 8. Okay. So now we're going to take off.
Nothing.
Huh?
That's it today. That's all I'm doing now for today. That was my goal for the last 3 days to get this off.
Oh, okay. So we got whatever that thing right there is. Bracket. Huh? So I'm just gonna put that there. So here it is without the brackets. Took out the bracket off here in the whatever that was, I forgot. And then we take off the bracket there. Okay, that one too. High five. So what, Daddy? Why is this wiggling?
I gotta tighten all this stuff up. I need this boat under here, that way we don't lose it.
Okay, look.
There's one on the wheel there too.
Under the wheel?
Under the wheel.
Okay. I see it.
And there's a boat right here, and that right here.
So that looks more cleaner now without the bulky stuff, right? Only if we could just run it like this. Like neater.
Well, I gotta take this off.
Big old round thing?
Yep.
Don't you need that pack for that?
Huh?
Big old pack? Or is that the only thing that you need that for? So that's just a little boat. Boat.
I'll take that off, and then I gotta
Take this off.
clean all this stuff up. So we're gonna have to put.
But you said that probably gonna take off the engine and the transmission off, right? Out.
What?
You said you were probably gonna take the engine and the transmission out.
I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm trying to debate on what I'm gonna do because money's gonna be tight.
Yeah. At least the motor looks new. The
I
windshield
want to
motor.
take these off and have them cleaned up. I really want to take that intake off, but I don't want to buy all new gaskets and stuff.
Cause you're gonna feel like that those are bad.
Well, I mean, the paint and everything's chipping off of it. I mean, I kind of wanted to clean it up a little bit.
Yeah.
And my thing was, I'm not going orange and black with, black and gray with the motor. I don't know why.
Yeah, cause if everything's like, orange, white, black, you don't want to go white, black, and rusty looking inside
It would be
motor.
nice to have the motor out where I can resand that firewall down and get it painted.
Yeah. I think that would be a good idea.
It's just chipping and everything.
I definitely want to take out the battery and get the battery tray out.
I'm putting a new battery tray in when I put the tubs in.
Well, I was gonna say I'll be able to send it.
No,
I think those-
I'm getting a whole other battery tray. I'm making the aftermarket.
I think those trucks really look good on this truck though.
Well, I've got a bunch of wire and stuff I got to clean up. All that wiring, like all this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get all that cleaned up. I mean, this is like,
I seen the new lights you got, the tungsten lights and the bumper lights things. Yeah.
like all this needs to be recovered.
Yeah. Since it's been setting, it don't look that nice. Yeah.
Well, the thing is, I'm gonna, instead of having my alternator over here, I think I'm gonna have it mounted over here.
Does it really matter?
Yeah, no, it don't matter.
Okay, so it don't matter what it's mounted.
So I'm gonna run the alternator over here, then I'll put the power steering over here where it's at.
That's the power steering pump. Okay. Yeah.
So.
Honestly, that's.
These brackets have to come off because they're not going to be nothing that I can use.
What's that bucket for?
Yeah,
Or is that for one of the bulky things?
Yeah, go ahead and put this on back through.
Okay.
Gosh.
What you trying to do?
Well, I guess that bracket's staying on there.
Ew.
No, it ain't coming up, right? It's stuck on
Well, if
there.
you can't get it, how would I try to get it? That thing's tight, ain't it?
They can stay on there for all I care.
I mean, you just need to rest up and then try it
Like, I don't even know
tomorrow.
what them goes to. Like, they wasn't even plugged up. That's what I'm saying. It's like a bunch of stuff that's not even plugged up.
Yeah.
I mean, I may not need it, but I'd like to know.
You have to know where you plugged up just in case you do need it.
So
You know?
like all these wires, say like there's a bunch of wires like that.
Yeah.
It's just open. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow we'll come out here and vacuum all this out and clean all that out.
Okay, look.
I need to put some plastic under here and do some like cleaning. Like put some water in a water bottle and take it proper power and
Yeah.
clean the front of this thing, kind of clean it up a little bit.
Is that are these knives for that? What are those
This
on?
is I think this is fuel lines.
Fuel lines?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I tried. Is it your phone? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I just was you know, if you're bunging or not. So, well, I can't wait to get this thing done where it look nice. Then now we can actually have the hood open, doing the car shows and all that.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. I think when we left off, you seen us trying to start tearing this 91 S10 down. This is where we're at now. Today we're going to try to pull the motor and transmission out of it. Try to get it all ready to get cleaned up. So I'll keep you informed on that and try to video some of it. It's just hard for me to video a lot of the process because most time it's just me by myself. So just keep watching and I'll keep you updated. Alright, so this is where we're at now. We got the motor out. And I didn't get to record getting the motor out because, you know, it was just me and another buddy, and we were just trying to focus on getting it out. Today we're going to try to go through some of these wires and get all this mess cleaned up, get it to looking better. And we got a heater that I'm going to get out of it because I'm not going to be running it. But we got a lot of wiring to do, so I'm probably just going to set you on time lapse for a little bit and try to work on getting this cleaned up. Alright, now I'm going to figure out what I want. I think I'm going to take these off and redo these because they look pretty rough. Get all that off. They dry right too, so. And they just falling apart. And then I got the.
Again, what you said, they're dry rotted.
Huh?
Again, like you said, it's dry rotted.
Yeah, and see all the like mice is chewed up little places. Can you grab me the regular tape over there? I'm just going. These just coated off. And
The cloth, no. The cloth or the
regular.
These.
Yeah.
Okay.
You grab me the scissors. Go ahead and cut this one.
Oh.
Just cut a.
Oh, I think that was bad. I just crushed it.
Throw it away. Go ahead and cut me out a couple more pieces that small.
Okay.
And that way.
Where's the thing at?
Just hit the scissors really quick.
You need like this one?
Yeah, it don't take much. You just cover them where they chew to keep the coating. That way when I wrap all this, it won't be.
That one right here.
Here.
Oh, I'm gonna tap it on this.
Yeah, that'd be dirt. You won't be able to.
I'm not. I wasn't gonna put it on the tape side. I was gonna put it on the other side. Just like this.
I won't be need very many for this one either. I gotta cut.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's good for now.
Look. This whole time I was doing it the wrong way.
And like somebody's already tried to.
Think that.
Yeah, I gotta order a new plug for this one. So.
Is that a tube?
Huh?
What is that?
It goes to the transmission. It's the speed sensor plug. It goes to the transmission back here, and it's pulling out of the plug. So I'm gonna have to find a new plug.
I remember you had to cut that off over there.
So I'll wait on that one. I think it all wraps together, but I can still wrap it and then put a new plug on it. But this is messed up pretty good.
You want to put your key somewhere where it's not right here in your way?
I mean, I don't even see how that was even working. That just barely caught on there.
Barely?
Yeah, see?
Yeah, I see.
Like.
Oh, you just broke it off.
Yeah. Maybe they'll work. Strippers.
no traffic up there.
I don't think it's gonna be long enough to. Yeah.
Yeah, the other ones. These are so dry water that they're just easy. They're easy to break. Do you need this?
Huh? Yeah, let me have one of those.
Is your other one easier than that? Try one, which one, I don't know.
It's an order.
Okay. This one's pretty tough.
It's so close, it's just hard to.
Do you need the knife?
The water is so smashed and beat up. There it goes.
Yeah.
That's alright, I have to use them again.
We're just gonna remove them. Yeah, I just move down here with it.
I need them now.
I don't know.
But go ahead and put one down. I'm still working on the wiring. It's taking me a little bit to get it all done, but while I'm trying to finish this up, I'm gonna have him to take the take that bracket off and take the antenna wire loose and run it through. So if you want to go ahead and do that, we'll I think you're tightening it, yeah.
Why is it so loose? Well, I might just be able to. Okay. Got to do this.
I had to use your short extension, that way you can get a.
No, I'm okay. It's out. We'll go one back down. That's not gonna stay. I'm just gonna put it in my pocket. Now we're ready for this one. That's right. No. It was greasy, that's why. Don't drop it now. I feel like I'm tightening it, but I'm not. That thing's tight.
How many boats is holding it, dude?
One right here. One right here. This one. I think there's two.
Okay.
One in the middle. One right there. That's it. Since over here, I think I can take it out by hand. I can't. Again. It's too tight though. Well, one down. Time to get. It's tight right here. I think that's one. Yeah, it's one.
Probably need to get you a little short extension.
Yeah. That's what I'm about to go do. If I can get back out of here. A shorter extension. This is a short extension. Uh-oh. This won't come out. Okay.
Just get the small ratchet and get you a short extension with a small ratchet.
No, just I can't get this out no more. Well, I think I know what I'm talking about now. Well, I just use swivel. No? And that don't work.
There you go.
Huh? Oh. Man, that was good. Let me get that ratchet. Oh, I beat it up. thing's in my way. Ow.
Here.
What the crap?
There it is.
I need a swivel. That's what I need. You can't see it, can you? Right? I can't get that out.
Go ahead and take it off there.
That's dusty.
And then go ahead and take it off.
What is that? Look at that.
Put the extension back on at least.
No, because right here is how I can. Because it's.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
Alright, I think I got this harness done. It looks pretty good. I think that's going to be off this video. Our next video, we're going to work on that harness, the headlight harness. And we're going to try to do some cleaning up on the frame and firewall. And then we've got we're going to clean and paint the transmission up, and hopefully before long we'll get the video of us redoing the motor. So just check in on